last but not least, 3e, and this is the question. So again, multiplying these out, do your tip first of all, which of course change first term into red and the second term into a different colour. That's your tip. And then you just say to yourself, okay, it's the first part of the first bracket, which is red 2b multiplied by all of the second bracket. And then you say the second part of the first bracket, which is purple plus 3 multiplied by all of the second bracket. And that is splitting up the brackets. So we've everything kind of set up there. And now what we're going to do is start multiplying out this stuff and removing the brackets. So 2b by 4b, so 2 by 4 is 8, b by b is b squared, 2b by minus 2, be careful here, plus by minus, unlike signs give minus, and 2 by 2 is 4, so 2b by 2 is 4b. 3 by 4b, that's going to be 12b, and 3 by minus 2, again, plus by minus is minus, and 3 by 2 is 6, and that's removing the brackets. And so we're trying to tidy up the like terms with no more b squareds there, or 8b squared, so that's going to be in your answer with no more numbers, so minus 6 would be in your answer. But we do have a minus 4b plus 12b, and just be careful here, when the signs are different, take the small number from the big. So 4 from 12 will give you 8, and keep the sign the big number, and it's tall majestical, so plus 8b is what we're going to get there. And that's question 1e, or 3e, and that's your homework finished.